Hey, hello everyone. This is your Ghost Trader. Welcome to our Forex trading hub. And there is a bullish trend. There's all a bullish trend, and the fundamentally also catch CHF bull market. And we'll see how this market hunt. And after that, we need some more confirmation for strong BOS. And then only we can move on the next level. Yes, and then then if you check in higher time frame, we have one more a big liquidity inside this here. You can check here. You can see this liquidity. This is the reason I'm looking for buy again. Yes, and also if you check in monthly chart, yeah, there is a very imbalance also here, and already mitigated this zone. So here you can check here, still not yet mitigated this imbalance, and that's why market will mitigate this all the zone. That's why we can get a good buy here. It's called imbalance. Yes, and this is one reason I'm looking for buy again. And we have another imbalance also here. Then market not yet mitigated this zone also, but in monthly chart there's a big time frame. That's why we have to wait for one more confirmation for here. Then we can catch the full amount of pips, the amount of profits here to here, but we need more confirmation higher time frame, guys. Yes, at the same time I'm looking for USDJPY. USDJPY already looking good for buy again, but market not yet mitigated this sell side zone because market still very huge, a higher time frame imbalance also here, but already market created thin liquidity. That's why we have to be safe and for one more confirmation. If it is break this level, then we can go for buy again. If it is break this level, and we can go for sell. This is the reason I'm looking for low time frame confirmation, guys. If you want more details, guys, just join with our Telegram channel. Then we can earn together, and we can get more details and more videos, exciting videos. You can check my tricks and all those things. I will teach for free of charge. You can check my channel, guys. Yes, and then already we got this trade the last week and already mitigate my zones, and now it's still going on. Already we booked some profits, already TP1 hit, and already and hit by 50% imbalance also. Then market created some liquidity again here. That's why we have to be safe. We need one more confirmation for buy again. Then we'll see how is market react. If it is break this level, if it will go like a swing trade, and I'm in this trade, I'm already booked some profit here. Then we'll see how is market react. Today is a Monday. We have to wait for more confirmation for long trade. Okay, and yeah, gold, and already really I'm so happy to trade with the BTC the last week, and I will check here. Yes, here already we got a very nice and TP3 confirmation. We got 331 pips. We got it again. A really amazing trade. Now it's more fundamentally going to sell market. Still we have some pending order here. That's why market here come to here, because there's a lot of imbalance and here in technically, but we have to check for fundamental news and all those things. If I see any confirmation low time frame, we can go for buy again. Market looking good for buy again, but we need one more confirmations for long term journey. Anyhow, guys, but gold, everyone messaging me how is gold trade, but already I got a very nice gold sell and buy, and here also market now not giving any strong confirmations. Well, here you can check here low time frame. There is a very big imbalance also here. Market need to mitigate all the zones, and market will fell down all the retail traders. Then only we can buy again with bang. Yes, guys, I'm always telling you guys, I'm always waiting for the low time frame confirmation. Then only my trading rate and 98% is winning rate. That's why we have to wait. Here we got an NFT and all those things. You can check here my trade style, really amazing. And you can check here, this is NFP, and we got nice profit, and here also, and here also. Then I'm always telling you, I'm waiting for the strong confirmation, guys. Yes, and here also just missed by very few pips here. Really, last week I gave this setup for my Telegram channel. Just missed by just five pips more. Yeah, it's more than, yes, 189 pips. Oh my god, really amazing setup. But anyhow, sometime it's happened. Really, we got a very nice buy confirmation after NY session. Really amazing. But anyhow, I missed this setup. Really amazing confirmation setup. But sometime it's happened, guys. Yes, as a trader, then yeah, I have like 11 years experience. I'm always waiting for my fundamentally. I have to check all those things. Then only I will enter all the each and every trade, guys. Yes, guys, if you want more details, just join with my Telegram channel for everyone for free. And yes, guys, if you need any more details, then you join with my Telegram channel and you can ask any questions. I'm so free now. I'm full-time trader, and you can ask any questions. I will ready to answer you guys. Everything's for free, guys. Just enjoy life. Be patient. Trade will come. Don't trade with emotions. Trade with plan. Don't trade with your emotion, guys. Thank you so much for watching all the things. Thank you. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Okay, guys, thank you. Enjoy life. Be patient. Trade will come. Enjoy life. Take care of your kids and your family, guys. Good night.